Very good. Walk, walk, walk. Yeah, so let's do one more time. So this was good because you start from here, you grow, and try with this rib cage, go up and over, like almost you want to do a circle. So you're not going to attack her forward, you're going to use and always use the opposite side. So you squeeze here using the opposite side. From this squeezing through rotation to the leg, you push from the foot, you go up, and then you go into your knee to push from your leg, and here spend time doing this movement. And then from here, I think is the best idea if you will do a half circle with this chest. Boom. It's another option I was showing you is from here you can more like sell this, then go there. It's also good. And then later you can play. Maybe you do this, and then maybe you can do with the head just to add it. Got it? Okay. Let's try. Yeah, again. Very good. And this is one of the fundamental principle where your goal to do a lot of actions, okay? So it's the body moves, body singing. And this action come from where? From the opposite side. Yeah. So in order to have here a lot, you squeeze, rotate. Now use your help of the foot, even, you see, from the foot. So you squeeze, rotate. Now from the foot, it travels into your chest. Then you will be having a great action, and you should have a little bit this line. You see that major diagonal line. Boom. Then you're lowering using this standing leg. And I think here you can do like a circle, like maybe a little bit curved back. And then from here, maybe head. And make sure here is like a half circle for the forward walk turning. So more actions is always the best. Yes, very good. So in this piece, you have all the technique possible. Yeah. And before you were doing it was more, you did a little hip, a little there, but it was not defined through the body. And that was gonna lead your partner. Also, these actions, they're gonna lead her into steps. So try that again. And nice. Yeah, and I'll do with the head, the crazy. You can add head. From here, that was great. From here was great. Here you can, using this leg, you can have a little bit, if you want to, that design. But you can go classic. Yeah, you try. You can play with that. The idea is to have a lot of upper body flexibility, as always. Boom. Yeah. Yes, and the most important, as you already know, of course, this is leading you into forward walk turn. It's leading you into forward, and then melting into and. Also have a little bit time to show that. Never finish right away. Show that and which takes you to the next movement. Now let's try. Go a little bit back. Yeah, thank you. And when you dance yourself, always imagine like you're holding her in the hand, like she's here. So stabilize your hand so it's here, so you don't push and pull too much. Have your hand here, warm, and you see here with your hand, you're gonna have a little bit like invitation. This is how you're gonna lead her. You're gonna have a little bit circular motion. Always imagine where your partner is. Yes. And walk. Yeah, so let's come back here. So each step is important. That was great. So this was great. Now you have to go through each step. You went here, and again, you melt, compression, rotation, which start this chest walk. And I think here you can use more hip action, body action for that hip twist to showcase that side step, rather than just step over it, because each step counts. Each step counts, right? Yeah. Let's try that. Excellent. Whoa, excellent. And walk, walk. Yeah, and here, excellent. So this was excellent. And now here, one of the main principles is to not let this leg move by itself. So from here, you want to have your compression, rotation, and let this hip lead that leg. So there will be a little bit lateness, not speed, a little bit lateness of this leg to move.
Got it.
Because the leg is going from the body. So already do it from here, from that side. Boom. Yes, nice. Yeah. And then here you can also emphasize that behind the corner. Boom. Which placing that leg. Always imagine where your partner is. Yeah, that's much better. So it's same ideas, but because the steps are different, you have to kind of find that idea or apply that idea to every single step. So try. Excellent. Yeah, excellent.
Wow, nice.